Here we are on Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up, and put them to dry on the clothesline. It's been a crazy 2 weeks. Bolo to so crazy that news of Sadhvi Deva Thakur and her bodyguards firing guns in celebration at a shadi ending up killing people. And Zakir Naik's NGO being banned became footnotes in the outrage community. The last 2 weeks belong to Trump's derangement and Modi's demonetization. D for danger, baby. Aage aage dekho kya hota hai. So we all settled down to watch the American elections on television on November 8th. This was a softball for us Indians. We watch with interest, yet some detachment, like a movie or a reality show. मतलब feeling थोड़ी बहुत होती है, emotions भी महसूस होते हैं, but finally Sanu की. What goes of my father? Unless of course your father is an NRI in the US or a US citizen, then our sympathies are with you. But our lives here in India don't really depend on the outcome in the medium term at least. हमें बड़ा third world कहते थे, at least not Trump's world.
You don't come and talk about America when you're important Muslims.
In the middle of watching this disaster film on the US elections with popcorn, our viewing experience was interrupted by Prime Minister Modi as he burst onto the screen at 8:15 p.m. on the night of 8th November.
फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो।
8 नवंबर 2016 की रात्रि को 12 बजे से वर्तमान में जारी 500 रुपए और 1000 रुपए के करेंसी नोट लीगल टेंडर नहीं रहेंगे।
And the first reaction of everyone was, wow, what a masterstroke. The cockiness of the BJP netas was on display. कि क्या पासा फेंका है हमने, win baby.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी काले धन के खिलाफ की लड़ाई को आगे ले जा रहे हैं। मैं मानता हूं कि उनका एक कदम सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक से कम नहीं है।
For sure, the common people have been inconvenienced. But then they have all supported this measure from the Prime Minister as this is in larger national interest.
ये एक बहुत प्रभावी कदम है इस देश को कैशलेस इकोनॉमी की दिशा में ले जाने के लिए।
But then as days went by, they realized कि boss, ये थोड़ा लोचा हो गया, पूरा सोचा नहीं. By the third day, it was clear things were not going as Modi ji and company would have liked.
सबको करके परेशान मोदी घूम रहा जापान, सबको करके परेशान मोदी घूम रहा जापान.
The demonetization move was welcomed by those who matter and those who probably never had any black money ever, like Ajay Devgan, Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai, basically the who's who were part of the Panama Papers leak that the government has not done anything about. You know that one? Also, as we all know, the film industry has been the most transparent industry, making movies using only checks. And it is so transparent कि आज तक कोई नहीं बता पाया कि what were the true collections of Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. The move was also welcomed by patriotic actor Akshay Kumar, who starred in Gabbar is Back. Remember how he had promoted that with attacking corruption, etc., almost as dramatic as Modi ji's speeches. देखो
करप्शन को मिटाने का एक और तरीका है और मैं चाहूंगा कि वो तरीका आप लोग गब्बर में देखें।
देखा? Such a smart and intelligent, responsible way to raise awareness about corruption. Except the film was a bigger flop than even Modi ji's demonetization move, which he was so thrilled about that he could not clap enough for himself during this speech.
लेकिन कुछ लोग हैं यार, कुछ गड़बड़ है। स्पेशल इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम बनाई, SIT। किसके नाम? हम कानूनन अगर आप गहने खरीदते हैं, ज्वेलरी खरीदते हैं, ज्वेलरी पर जब एक्साइज लगाई, आपने मोबाइल फोन से उसका रिकॉर्डिंग कर लीजिए। लोगों ने आकर के सरकारी खजाने में जमा हुआ है भाइयों। बटवे में ये लोग ऐसे होते हैं साहब, आज 4000 रुपया पकड़ा जाता है। महंगे से महंगे ताले लगाए थे।
Getting back to the demonetization announcement, 8:15 बजे नरेंद्र मोदी ने अनाउंस किया। फिर क्या था? फटक से गरीब लोग जिनके पास काला पैसा नहीं था तालियां बजा रहे थे और आराम की नींद सो रहे थे। अमीर ब्लैक मनी वाले लोग जो बन ठन के पार्टी जा रहे थे उनने यू टर्न मारा और सीधे अपने अकाउंटेंट के पास भागा। क्या करें? देखा नहीं आपने? And the highest Google search that night was how to turn black money into white. Now, as the days progressed, reports from around the country of long lines and major crises in markets and households dampened the victorious mood of the government as the issue dominated prime time all week. Now, हम पूछना चाहते हैं, yes, there is a serious black money problem, and whether the carpet bombing approach will tackle it or not, we will find out in due course. But there was one low-hanging fruit that could have been surgically struck without carpet bombing the whole nation. The real black money ka fountainhead, political party donations. If Modi ji is that serious about black money, why didn't he ask political parties to declare every rupee that they have taken in cash along with the source of where it came from, photocopy of identity proof of the donor for even 100 rupee donations, like they're asking the common man to do when he goes to deposit his own money or her own money. But political parties can't deposit hundreds of crores of cash without telling anyone where it came from. The amount of money that just the BJP, the Congress, CPIM, NCP and BSP collected in cash without telling anyone where it is from in 2 years, 2014 and 15, is 870 crores. So during an exercise where BJP spokespersons were telling us the merits of the surgical strike on black money, when asked whether the BJP or Prime Minister Modi will pass a law to make it compulsory for political parties also to disclose details and paperwork of exactly where their money comes from, this is what they said. Watch.
You're talking about the electoral reform. Certainly BJP is working on it internally, and we would like to discuss with the other political parties. Obviously, the Election Commission has to take the lead along with the government.
Wah! Well played, Siddharth Nath Singh, and well tried. You conveniently said the BJP or Prime Minister Modi can't do this, and only the Election Commission can. Lies, lies, lies. Actually, the Information Commission, a constitutional body, had said that parties should come under RTI in June 2013, and all parties, especially you and the Congress Party, fought the order. You disobeyed a constitutional body's order and still continue to do so. And maybe you should read the law. You don't need a constitutional amendment for getting political parties to declare sources of money. But will many of our journalists and followers ask this? No. Cheerleader सवाल नहीं पूछते ना. As soon as the demonetization was announced, the Apple store in Mumbai sold out all their computers. Railway tickets, airline tickets, sales shot up. The great Indian jugaad had begun. And fantasy immediately took flight. Baba Ramdev suggested this.
2000 रुपए का नोट आए तो उसमें मेरा एक सजेशन होगा, उसमें गवर्नमेंट को चिप लगा दे, और जहां पर भी वो पैसा फिर जो है यदि महीना 2 महीना पड़ा रहे तो उसका अलार्म बज जाए तो बैंक वाले जा करके उसको उठा के ला सके.
And of course, the ones most affected started telling us why this was such a bad idea.
जब से श्री नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार ने अर्थात परसों से ये फैसला लिया है कि बीजेपी व श्री नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार ने अपने 2.5 वर्षों के शासनकाल में अपना सारा बंदोबस्त करके, लोग तो ये भी कहते हैं, मैं नहीं कह रही, लगभग 50-60 या मैं तो कह सकती 100 वर्षों की पॉलिटिक्स करने के लिए बाहर विदेशों में अपना उन्होंने प्रबंध कर लिया है.
बहन जी, आप तो कुछ नहीं कहते, सब लोग ही तो कहते हैं. Benji was most upset because now what will she do with all those malas? For many, paise ki mala japna is a figure of speech. For Benji, it is literally paise ki mala, or should I say 1,000 rupee notes ki mala japna. And now with 1,000 rupee notes gone, those malas are useless. Oh. But at least this happened after she had bought real estate in Diplomatic Enclave, the toniest area in New Delhi. But then real estate value also may fall. बहन जी के साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ. Meanwhile, Mulayam Singh Yadav played the confusion card, confused between 5 lakh and 5,000, and also no one quite understood what he said, so we can't make a joke, but it's safe to conclude he is not happy and we are confused, but we can still laugh.
मोदी साहब की इस कसम से उन सभी महिलाओं का भविष्य असुरक्षित हो गया है. उन्हें कम से कम 50,000 तक महिला जमा करने की अनुमति और आश्वासन मिलना चाहिए. 5,000.
Rahul Gandhi showed up to stand in line outside a bank. Now that's unusual. Sonia Gandhi didn't even stand in line when she went to vote.
कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष सोनिया गांधी और दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री शीला दीक्षित, जिनके चेहरे, जिनके दम पर कांग्रेस जो है मैदान में उतरी है. और आप देख सकते हैं कि बाकायदा लाइन से अलग.
The Gandhi family does not stand in line because
हम भी वो हैं जो कभी किसी के पीछे नहीं खड़े होते. जहां खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है.
But even this chance of Rahul Baba was taken away from him because the security shoved all the people in line inside and he had no line to stand in.
जब मैं यहाँ पहुंचा, लाइन को अंदर कर दिया. तो जब मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, लोगों को अंदर कर दिया है. मैं लाइन में खड़ा होना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए मैं यहाँ आया हूँ.
Then Rahul Gandhi clubs rich people, the Prime Minister and the media all together. That's a new club he's invented.
ना मीडिया वालों को समझ में आएगी, ना आपके करोड़पति मालिकों को समझ आएगी, ना प्रधानमंत्री जी को समझ आएगी.
Arvind Kejriwal thought this calls for a press conference. Actually, in his life, everything calls for a press conference, unless it calls for a dharna. Otherwise, everything calls for a press conference.
चारों तरफ लोग कह रहे हैं और इस बात के सबूत हैं कि जी जो इनके अपने लोग थे, जो इनके अपने दोस्त थे, जिनके पास सबसे ज़्यादा काला धन है इस देश के अंदर, वो इनको इन्होंने पहले से ही बता दिया था. हफ्ता भर पहले उन्होंने अपना सारा इंतजाम कर लिया है.
Did he have some exclusive information? What was his press conference about?
अब धीरे धीरे जो सबूत सामने आ रहे हैं उससे ये साफ दिखाई दे रहा है कि काला धन और भ्रष्टाचार कम करने के नाम पे असल में एक बहुत 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 बड़े स्तर पे एक घोटाले को अंजाम दिया जा रहा है.
Can't wait. This will be something we haven't seen.
तो पहले हम ये एक बारी वो देख लेते हैं, फिल्म देख लेते हैं और उसके बाद मैं आगे बात करूंगा.
हैं? You called a press conference to show us a report of the Ambani-owned CNBC channel, which we had already seen the night before? क्यों? उनकी TRP rating slip कर रही थी that you called a press conference of all channels to show them CNBC? अंबानी से पैसे खाए हैं क्या जो TV18 की TRPs बढ़ाने हैं against Times Now? सब मिले हुए हैं. I tell you, सब मिले हुए हैं. But in all seriousness, there were some remarkably convenient, bordering on very suspicious transactions, including the data from Lata Venkatesh's show. ये मैं नहीं कह रही, लोग कह रहे हैं. The West Bengal unit of the BJP was reported to have deposited crores in the bank account of the state unit of the BJP shortly before demonetization. Very suspicious. मैं नहीं कह रही, लोग कह रहे हैं, TV18 कह रही है. The BJP denied it was anything unusual क्योंकि हम तो हर महीने पैसे बैंक में डालते हैं पार्टी चलाने के लिए. बस पिछले कुछ decades में we forgot. But we just remembered, right? According to CNBC TV18's research, there was a sharp jump in deposits in the July to September quarter. A serious coincidence. मैं नहीं कह रही. You know the drill. लोग कह रहे हैं. This raises questions whether some people perhaps knew about demonetization and were already pushing in hoarded cash into the banking systems. ये मैं नहीं कह रही, वगैरह.
Let's go to PNB. PNB showed, okay, year ago quarter was good, but otherwise it's been a 1.6, 0.8, 0.2% growth in deposits in the last few quarters. But in the July-September quarter, it's a huge 3.8% jump in deposits.
सिर्फ पूछ रहे हैं ना, पूछने में क्या हर्ज है? Since the public is supporting the Prime Minister on this scheme, then we also need to know that the party who is cleaning us up is also clean, no? But to conclude, is demonetization good or bad? Let's ask BJP's Meenakshi Lekhi.
Those who have the black money will actually convert it into new currency notes. Now the sufferers are the aam aurats and the admis, those who are illiterate, who have no access to the banking facilities, and they will be the ones who will be affected by such diversionary measures.
अरे अरे ये क्या कह रही हैं मीनाक्षी जी? मोदी जी, वेंकैया जी और बीजेपी क्या कहेंगे? क्या हुआ? ओ सॉरी ये वीडियो क्लिप जनवरी 2014 का है, when the Congress was suggesting demonetization. Then it was a bad thing. When the BJP does it, it's a good thing. In the end, it doesn't matter which party is in power. They switch positions like a revolving door, and we, the idiots, keep voting them back into power. इस मौके पे एक शेर अर्ज है
कि चमन को सींचने में पत्तियां कुछ झड़ रही होंगी। यही इल्जाम हम पर लग रहा है बेवफाई का, मगर कलियों को जिसने रौंद डाला अपने हाथों से, वही दावा करे अब चमन की रहनुमाई का।
ओफ, मार डाला त्रिवेदी साहब, मार डाला। No, not the poetry. I mean the demonetization. ने मार डाला। शेर की दात हम ना दें. And from the sublime to the ridiculous, the best report from the whole demonetization saga was this one by Sudhir Chaudhary, which, like most of his other reports, turned out to be false.
काले धन पर रोक के लिए लाए जा रहे 2000 रुपए के करेंसी नोट को बनाने के लिए स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल होगा। ये एक नई बात होगी। 2000 रुपए के हर एक नोट पर NGC यानी नैनो GPS चिप लगा हुआ होगा।
क्या यार सुधीर, कभी तो कोई रिपोर्ट करो जो सच निकले। What Trump has done to the people's expectations from a public figure, Sudhir is trying with journalism. Now that is a lesson in journalism for us all. But Sudhir, at least you are entertaining and patriotic. And patriotic se yaad aaya Ram Madhav, VK Singh, Anupam Kher, and among other patriots who keep questioning other people's patriotism. We at News Laundry have come up with a patriotism test. You can click here and take the test. You can share the results with a simple click on your social media profile. This is our bid for identifying the patriots and traitors on behalf of Ram Madhav and company. You're welcome, sir, for that. Well, that's a wrap for this time. If you saw any moments from journalism that made you go, oh wow, or oh crap, write into us or tweet to us. Subscribe to our newsletter and support our I Pay to Keep News Free campaign. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected. Stay online. If you like that, click here to support us and down here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do check out the other stuff we do like News Laundry interviews, Why So Serious, animations, comics, panel discussions, podcasts which are really big, and much, much more.